Hello to you. In this problem, we're going to use Google Sheets to fill in our cost values. This is average fixed cost, average variable cost, and average total cost, often referred to as the cost curves. So we'll fill in this. Instead of writing out quantity, I'm going to use Q, common in economics. Instead of writing marginal cost, I'm going to write MC. Instead of writing fixed cost, I'm going to use FC. VC for variable cost, TC for total cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost, and average total cost. Move this down a little bit. I like those to be centered and bold so that they pop out. That's great. 0 and then 1. And then it should recognize that I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4. So I suppose I could have just punched those in. But anyway, so there I've got my 1 through 4. Make that a little bit bigger. We'll make all of this centered as well. Okay, marginal cost. You don't have a marginal cost when you are producing 0. You also don't have an average fixed cost, an average variable cost, or an average total cost when you're producing 0. More on that in a second. We do know, we are told that the marginal cost is 85 for the third unit. We're told that the fixed cost is 50 for the fourth unit. Then for 72 for the second unit, 400 for the fourth unit, and for average variable cost is 45. Okay, and all of this, now I'm kind of done with that. So I can make this a little skinnier and zoom in so you can see better what I'm doing. And then you can make your own tables. Okay, pretty good. And this is all money. So if you highlight everything and hit that, it'll turn them all into dollars for you. All right, so something we know in the short run is that when the costs are fixed, then they don't change in the short run. So if it's 50 for 4 units, that means it's 50 for all of the units. So always 50, okay? Total cost is our fixed cost plus our variable cost. So fixed cost plus variable cost. We filled in that number right there. We can do average fixed cost very quickly. I'm going to write the formula here for you so you have it. It's fixed cost divided by quantity. Okay, so put an equal sign, take our fixed cost, and then divide by that quantity. And then as soon as I hit enter, it's going to say, do you want me to copy that all the way down? And I do, but I can't see it. Okay, right there, I hit OK. You can check it to make sure you're just getting the right number, but that makes sense. 50 divided by 2 is 25. Next, we want to get, we can do total cost again, which is fixed cost plus variable cost. And variable cost is 0 when you have shut down. So you don't have any variable costs when you don't produce anything. Okay. Are we doing here? We're pretty good. Okay. Next one, we know that the average variable cost is 45. Variable cost divided by quantity. So if I rearrange that, this is the answer to variable cost divided by quantity. So if I multiply quantity, so if I go equals the average times the quantity, that gives me the variable cost. Okay. Then down here, this one's a it's not a problem. Okay. So then I can do marginal cost here. I'm going to go equals it's the change in variable cost divided by the change in quantity, but we don't need to do that because the quantities are 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also use the change in total cost if you want. I just copied that formula down because 50 plus 45 is 95. So either one, I'm going to use variable cost on this one. So it'll be that variable cost minus the old variable cost. That gives me 45. We'll do the same thing here. It recognizes what I'm doing, but I'll do it anyway. 72 minus 45, and you get 27. And then we just need this value here. So for that one, we know what the marginal cost is. So we know that marginal cost plus where we came from is our new variable cost. Okay. And again, it's already recognizing what I'm doing. So fixed cost plus variable cost, I got 207. And the variable cost, last one here, is the total cost minus the fixed cost. So that's 350. And I can use my formula I had up here. So total cost minus total cost for 4 minus total cost for 3, that gives us 193 is the marginal cost. Okay, these are going to be really easy. Average variable cost is variable cost divided by quantity. So just take your variable cost divided by quantity, and then it's gonna we're gonna copy this formula all the way down. So, whoops. So there we go. And then finally, to finish out our table, then we want our total cost divided by our quantity. And we will copy that all the way down. And we are, I don't know why they want feedback. We are done with everything. You can check your work that our total cost divided by quantity. So you can check it if you want. Give you this last formula here. This is for variable cost plus fixed cost. I guess if you wanted to, this would be total cost minus fixed cost, and this would be total cost minus variable cost. So if you wanted to, there's your formulas, but that's how to fill that in with Google Sheets.